Welcome to Freshers Live. To find the latest job vacancies for 10th passed people, log on to fresherslive.com. On this top of the page, click on Government Jobs. Here you can find the latest government jobs. Under the category of education-wise job vacancies, choose 10th pass government vacancies. The salary range is from 5,200 to 63,200. Follow this link. The job vacancies include in various sectors, for both male and female candidates. To find jobs all over India, click on this link. You have openings for soldier in Indian Army. The eligibility and last date to apply are mentioned here. There are also vacancies for helper, driver and attender job all over India. You can also find the jobs on preferred locations. The job profile, salary and location are mentioned. Also find walk-in interview date. You can find the application form, clicking the links. There are also openings for constable in New Delhi. You can also choose the preferred job locations. and chose 10th pass jobs in education. Also find jobs in various other parts of India. Hope this video was helpful for you to find and apply for government jobs.